Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our detailed guide on fixing the Thermomix TM5, specifically focusing on the lid closure system and the selector cleaning process. If you're experiencing issues with the lid not closing properly or the timer skipping, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix TM5 to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the base unit from the bowl. To do this, locate the screws at the bottom of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base off. You should now see the internal components, including the lid closure mechanism. Inspect this area for any visible debris or damage. If you notice any buildup, use your soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean the components thoroughly. This can often resolve issues with the lid not closing properly. Now let's address the selector issue. If the timer is skipping, it may be due to dirt or grease buildup around the selector knob. Carefully remove the knob by gently prying it off with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the surrounding area. Once removed, clean the area underneath the knob with your cloth and alcohol. If you find that the selector is still not functioning correctly after cleaning, it may require further inspection. Check for any loose connections or damaged parts. If you're unsure about the diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and ensure that your Thermomix is repaired correctly. After cleaning, reassemble the unit by placing the selector knob back in its position and securing the base with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Before you plug in your Thermomix TM5, double-check that all components are securely in place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution. Once everything is reassembled, plug in your Thermomix and test the lid closure and selector functionality. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Thermomix TM5. If you still encounter issues, remember that we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. In summary, maintaining your Thermomix TM5 is essential for its longevity and performance. Regular cleaning and addressing minor issues promptly can save you from more significant repairs down the line. Thank you for following this guide, and we hope your Thermomix is back to perfect working condition. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.